Hi everybody, this is the left-handed shooter. Today we're going to take a look at something a little bit different. Here's something I found in my garage. I think I got this, I don't know, 4 or 5 years ago from my dad. He gave it to me. I just threw it in my garage. I've never even opened it. But it's this Centrios Pen Telescope with a microscope. Here's the packaging it comes in. Maybe you've seen one of these before. This is model 6308140. Well, let's open her up and see what's actually in here. Okay, comes in this plastic case. What is this on here? Just more model number, made in China, of course. But, okay, you open her up. And this is, it has four compartments and with this foam inset. And pull this out here, off to the side. These are the instructions. (2003). Copyright on this, so I don't know how old this thing is. This thing might be a zillion years old. Okay, this is if you want to pause and read this, you can. Okay, the specifications are the microscope is 30x, the telescope is 60x with a entrance pupil diameter of 0.04 inches, which is 10 millimeter, field of view 6 degrees. Let's see. The dimensions 5 inches long by 0.6 inch, weighs 3 ounces, clean box, auxiliary lens, and plastic case. All right, now let's take a look at it. Here's it feels solid. I will give them that. Looks like a pen. And then it has this attachment here, which I believe next on here. And then what you would do is you would put whatever you want to look at underneath here. Let's see something here. And if you can see there, magnifies that. There we go. You get the idea. And then you'd pull this off and you turn it around this way. Now you're going to be looking in this thing, and this would be your the telescope. And it does spin for adjustments, I believe. But the weird thing, it does feel solid. And let's see. And it comes with a rag to clean the lens. I don't know when you'd ever need something like this versus a I don't know. Probably something I'll never use ever. But maybe you guys like it, or you know something about it. If so, leave a comment below. Like, subscribe, share, and all that type of stuff. And remember, this is the channel where we like to say, let's go, Brandon. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Later.